good. Strawberry, it's okay, it's okay. It's just a bit of lightning. It'll go away eventually. Oh, you stop because I think I just heard it again. It's very scary. I don't think it's ever gonna end. Oh, Strawberry, don't be dramatic. It's fine. Go away eventually, okay? Okay. Okay, Strawberry, I think it's over now. So we could go outside and go in the puddles. Really? Nice! That's so fun! That's so fun! Wait, what is that? Wait, is that electronic basket? Bundle, did you say something? Bundle, did you say something? Oh, you found it. Yes, I did find it. Why do you do that? I specially said for you to not get electronics here. Do you disobey me? Why did you do that? Oh, sorry. I just like playing these games. Not. I'm so mad at you. I know. Not. Because of this, I told you to. If you disobey me, I will do something bad to the phone. Now get rid of it. And this is what I would do. Wait, no. What are you gonna do? Those Bosco. Sorry, but what's the best? Now it's definitely all broken. No! 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 The phone! No! Why did you do that? I told you. It's really windy in here, and I told you to not do that, and that's what you got, Rascal. It's not my fault you disobeyed me. Now it's getting soft. There's no start to be lightning again. You're fine. So again, Rascal. Wait. Just wait, okay? Strawberry, get it. Wait, I'm just gonna do something with the phone. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Oh, this. Do that to the phone. No. I hope this can protect the phone. I'll see is it really that broken away though. Gotta go get back to Bundle. Strawberry. Yes, I'm there. Now mind explaining to me why you lied to me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I can't be mad at that face, so it's okay, I guess. Oh, let's just hope nothing bad happens to our treehouse home. Because we gotta get this place protected. This is our only home. So yeah, let's just... Yep, I'm gonna read a story for you, okay? Oh, okay. Okay, this is about a little butterfly. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a butterfly. That butterfly's name was KK. Oh, what a weird name. Stop it, Basket. This is a book made by... Actually, it doesn't say the name. Banda? That's a children's book. Oh, no, this is the only book I have. Okay. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a butterfly named KK. And once the the butterfly saw a tree and said, what's maybe inside this tree? She goes inside it and saw some delicious food. And you know what it was? I don't know what it was. It was apples. Oh, I love apples. Thus, I know. And she wanted to get the apples, but she wasn't strong enough. She was very sad and then she couldn't get the apples. Poor KK. It's okay, Bosque. It's okay. It's okay, Strawberry. You don't have to cry. This is just a story. It's way more than a story. Okay, whatever. So she was kinda sad. But then there was a hedgehog that came, and the hedgehog's name was MM. What's up with these weird names? Strawberry, stop. Okay. So MM wanted to help the butterfly. So he climbed up the tree and gave the apple to the butterfly. The butterfly was very, very happy. And they both became friends. The end. I knew that story would work. Place this back and let me go to sleep myself. I'm pretty tired.